Turn the dessert into a masterpiece. To prepare this unusual dessert, you will need a pack of vanilla-flavored biscuits. Break the biscuits into pieces in the blender bowl. Grind the biscuits in the blender until they become a fine powder, and put them into a large bowl. Put a pack of butter in the bowl and melt it in the microwave. Pour the melted butter into the bowl and mix well with the ground biscuits. Put the mixture into a spring-form pan lined with baking paper. Flatten the biscuit layer with a spoon, then with the bottom of the glass to obtain a dense crust. Chill the crust in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Place the lower half on the biscuit crust. Pour 2 liters of milk into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add sugar and vanilla-flavored pudding powder one by one. Boil the pastry cream until it thickens, stirring continuously so that no lumps form, about 30 minutes. Pour the cream evenly into 2 bowls. Mix the cream from one bowl with dark chocolate. Take the spring-form pan out of the refrigerator and fill it, alternating both types of cream. Pour the creams carefully and in equal portions so that you obtain well-defined layers and a beautiful decoration on the surface. See what a beauty it turns out? I can't wait to cut a slice of the cake. It will take some time to fill the pan, but the result is worth any effort. After you fill the pan, carefully remove the mold from the middle. Pour a little of both creams into the middle. Shape a decoration on the surface using a wooden needle or a toothpick. Put the pan in the refrigerator for an hour. Now comes the most interesting part. Surprise! For the decoration, you will need lollipops. Melt a few lollipops in the pan placed on the heat.
Finished.
Mix the caramel obtained from the lollipops with melted butter. It is important to pour the melted butter gradually, a little at a time, and to boil the caramel, stirring continuously with the spatula, so that it does not burn and does not stick to the sides of the pan. Grease a large inverted plate with vegetable oil. Drizzle the plate with hot caramel. Do not rush and pour the caramel a little at a time to obtain as beautiful a decoration as possible. Pour milk into the saucepan placed on the heat. Add a few teaspoons of instant coffee, brown sugar, and vanilla essence one by one. Boil the milk, stirring continuously with the whisk. Pour the coffee milk into the glass and decorate the drink with whipped cream and caramel sauce. See what an unusual decoration I obtained? It is a simple recipe, not very expensive, and very tasty. Besides the fact that it is an attractive dessert, the preparation does not take more than an hour until it is ready, and then it goes to the refrigerator. The dream of any housewife.